Hey squishy lovers, I just made this school tote for my niece as a sort of like show and tell tote for her squishies. And I designed it with all of the cute squishies on the front of the tote so that she could just open up these cute little Ziploc bags and trade and give away squishies with her friends. And she could switch them out to change the front of the tote bag. It was so easy to create, and again, cute tote for her school bag. Anyway, let me show you how I made it. So the packaging is beyond adorable. I can't even take it. But anyway, this is Fufu Squishy's Holiday Limited Edition. And in this box or package, here's what you'll find. I mean, this idea of the advent calendar is just so adorable. And even though this tray is really cute to hold them in and store them, I wanted to make the school tote so that she can kind of have them year round with her, trade and give them away and all that fun stuff at school. So I'm going to make this tote out of white vinyl because it's so durable and makes a great school bag. And then I'm going to add these adorable bow details, and the handles are going to be made out of rope. So I'm folding down the top edge of the tote to create a hem, and then I'm going to sew it into place. Then in my design, I decided to lay out all of these Ziploc vinyl pockets on the front. It may seem odd, but again, it is a show and tell tote, and it really makes a conversational piece, especially for students at school. As I was sewing, I decided to stagger the second row. I've created the tote handles out of rope, and then because squishies are so cute, I couldn't help myself and I had to add these adorable pink bow details. And for the final sewing step, I am sewing the tote bag together, and I'm also going to create boxed corners so that the bottom of the tote is wider and my niece can fit a bunch more things into the tote. And for the best part of any sewing project is turning my work right sides around to see exactly what I've created and what it looks like. This was a quick and easy tote, and I will say it is definitely a conversational piece because it is so original and just different. So now my niece could take this to school, show off her squishies, and even trade them. Anyway, if you want to see other quick and easy DIY projects I have made for my niece, go ahead and click on the videos right up here on the screen. Thanks again for watching, and if you subscribe, you can see all my other videos I come out with. Thanks again.